absolutely tired of making these. Yeah. I'm sorry. Sorry if I talk really. Sorry about. I can't even. I stutter so much. Sorry that this video is not scripted. It's just me rambling and struggling to make sentences. Sorry. Yeah. About EAS scenarios. I'm kind of tired of making these. Yeah. I mean, I'm still working on that project thing, that EAS project, that I might release like another video on, like showing you like how I've been about, like, just to like give you a glimpse at it before the actual thing is released in October. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. But yeah, about how about yeah, now let me get to the important part. I never intended for EAS scenarios to be like a big part of my channel, or like a part in which like my channel relies on heavily and stuff. Like, I first intended for this channel to just be a bunch of random stuff, and just, I don't know, I can just post whatever, ranging from just some dumb gameplay to like some of my animation and stuff. But yeah, when I first I first saw EAS scenarios like back in late April to early May. Yeah, so, and when I first saw them, I just actually really liked them and kind of wanted to make my own, so I just made my own. It's taken down now. I deleted it more than a year ago, but yeah. But it got, I think, 30 or something views at the time, which for back then for me was a lot, since back then my views would typically get around like 8 views, something like that, or just like a few views, like maybe 3 or 5. And I only had like a tiny amount of subscribers, like probably less than 10 or barely more than 10. Yeah. But yeah. And I just kind of made it for fun. Like, I didn't intend it for like to be like an actual big part of my channel, but when I posted the EAS scenario of Creature from the Krusty Krab, which is down right now because I privated it because of my typical thing of, oh, I think it's cringe. Yeah, something's probably since so many people liked it, it's probably not cringe. It's probably just my brain convincing me that it is or something. I don't know. But yeah, I really don't know what to say. But yeah, that gained a lot of views quickly. Like, probably like in just a few weeks, or I don't know how long it took, but it's eventually surpassed my most popular video at the time, which was just a random animation of me having Bill Cipher from Gravity Falls and Dimentio from Super Paper Mario fight each other to the death. But yeah, it gained popularity and stuff, and then after that, I started posting some more EAS scenarios just for fun. And yeah, EAS scenarios kind of became a big part of my channel, especially when I released the one about Among Us. Yeah. And after the one about Among Us, my views kind of blew up and stuff, and I became more and more reliant on EAS scenarios, especially back in especially from December to like, I think as late as like April or something. Like, they became a critical part of my channel. And to be honest, if you're wondering whether or not I actually enjoyed making them, the answer, not really. to be honest, I started making videos not because I necessarily enjoyed making them and allowing people and having people watch them, but just because I felt like people really just want me to make this, and if I don't make this, then my views will plummet and stuff, and everyone's gonna hate me if I post something unrelated to EAS scenarios and stuff, like just like that. Like I felt like as if I was forced to make them, otherwise people wouldn't like my channel and my content anymore, would just leave and stuff. Yeah, I was in that mentality for so long, and it took so long for me to just break that mentality and just get out of there. Like before all the random stuff that came before memes and another world, which I'm now gonna rename to memes in the aftermath because it makes more sense. I mean, they're in the aftermath of a nuclear winter, but yeah, but yeah. Before that, it took me like it was like in late June when that series started, and before that, my they started. Before that, I had like posts, and I have like a bunch of random videos in between that stuff. But way before that, like the last video I had posted that was not related to the EAS scenarios was like posted back in, I think it might maybe even November or December. I really don't remember. But yeah. So I was, and yeah, the fear of being like, oh, if I post something that's not EAS related, everyone's gonna hate me, got so bad to the point where I originally posted memes in the aftermath as like on a channel that I actually created like a week prior to, like on May 21st or something. I created a separate channel, and then I posted the first 3 episodes on that channel instead. Yeah, but ever since I'm like, fuck it, I've already created shit that I regret. Why not just make it worse? But yeah, ever since then I've been kind of been more open about been more I've posted more stuff that I have actually started to enjoy making rather than stuff that I feel like I feel like I have to. Like, yeah. I mean, yeah, I think you get what I'm saying. And no, I'm not quitting making EAS scenarios. Don't panic or anything. I'll probably make them like every once in a while, but right now, I just really don't want to be making them right now. They just, kind of tired of them, and I just kind of want to move on to making content that I actually enjoy making, rather than content that I feel like I have to make. But yeah, I just wanted to post this video because I just really hope you understand. Okay, bye.